Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome to Ape House Crypto, your go-to spot in this wild crypto universe. Today we're zoning in on Bitcoin, the big boss of digital currency. There's chatter everywhere about Bitcoin possibly hitting that crazy $1 million mark by 2025. We are also looking at the upcoming Bitcoin halving day, and we'll be discussing its effects on investors. So let's dive into what's stirring up this buzz. Remember when Bitcoin was flirting with the $31,000 mark? Well, it didn't just stop there. It blasted past $70,000, leaving folks who were watching the $45,000 level in the dust. Bitcoin hitting $70,000 by March? That's something to talk about, showing just how unpredictable and dynamic this market can be. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The crypto world is full of twists and turns. Take India's recent move, slotting crypto transactions under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It sounded scary at first, but it's actually a step towards making things more stable around here. So there's this big event coming up in April 2024, the Bitcoin halving. It's when the reward for mining Bitcoin gets cut in half, which means fewer new Bitcoins out there. This isn't new. It happens every 4 years, but each time it's sparked a price surge because there's just not as much Bitcoin to go around. Plus, with big players scooping up Bitcoin, we're looking at what could be another big jump in price. And then there's this wave of interest from the big guns in finance. We're talking about BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Invest, and others diving into Bitcoin ETFs. This is huge because it makes Bitcoin accessible in ways it hasn't been before, mixing it up with traditional stock market trading. Even though the UK is dragging its feet on approving these ETFs, the buzz is that they could really drive up Bitcoin's price by opening the doors to a flood of new investors. What's more, these ETFs are a game changer for folks who've been on the sidelines, either because the tech stuff is a headache or the big institutions that couldn't get directly involved before. Now they've got a way in without having to deal with the nitty-gritty of holding crypto themselves. Now let's break down this Bitcoin halving event. Every 10 minutes, like clockwork, a new block is born in the Bitcoin blockchain, and the lucky miner who births it gets 6.25 shiny new Bitcoins. But here's where it gets spicy. Every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years, that reward halves. Yep, it slices down to 3.125 Bitcoin. This next halving party is expected around April 25th. It's a bit of a guessing game because we're dancing with the rhythm of block creation, but we're pretty good at hitting the mark close to the day. So, why throw this halving shindig? Bitcoin's playing hard to get with a cap at 21 million coins, and we're already flirting with 19.65 million in circulation. It's all about keeping inflation in check, making Bitcoin a scarce gem over time, and ensuring miners stay motivated to keep the blockchain humming. This balancing act keeps Bitcoin's value from going off the rails and secures its cash as a digital treasure. With halvings on the calendar, until the last Bitcoin is mined around 2140, it's a long-game strategy to keep Bitcoin's glow-up going strong. To wrap this up, Bitcoin's journey is a wild ride that's far from over. It's more than just a digital currency. It's a symbol of how far the crypto world has come. Hitting $1 million? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing's for sure. We're in for some exciting times ahead. Thanks for hanging out with us at Ape House Crypto. If this deep dive into Bitcoins got you fired up or even more bullish on crypto, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Catch you on the next one, keep those portfolios diversified, and here's to hoping our investments hit the moon.